Alright, so I'm here building some more 5.0s for Shot 3D and TAC. I've gotten where I really like these arrows, this setup. Even with a lighted nock, I'm really digging these setups. And I'm using the Atlas boning vanes. I really like them. They're a little softer than the alphas, so I can get a little more helical and I don't have to worry about, you know, not sticking good. And they're relatively quiet and they seem to be consistent. You know, I don't know lightweight wise how well they are, but so far I've really been enjoying them. So I'm going to keep running them for a little while and see, after a few TACs and Shot 3Ds, how I'm liking them. Also, some cheap Amazon wraps from One Shot Wraps work great, no problems. They stick great. And if you need to heat them up and replace them, it's easy to do as well. So no problem at all. My only complaint is I'm going to run out of Atlas vanes, so I'm not going to be able to build all of these today. And I was an idiot about the Arizona Easy Fletch. I just did that wrong because I'm an idiot. So I've only got 3 that I can build and then 1 extra Fletch for some reason. So I got to order some Atlas vanes, and I probably will go ahead and order, I've got some different topo. I'll get a different color and some different wraps for the 3 that are going to be the oddballs. But anyway, back to the point of this video. I am man enough to admit when I'm wrong, when I've made a mistake, and I swore I would never do something, and I've done it. So I've got to admit my mistakes, my flaws. So one of the things about like YouTube, for example, if you put videos, shorts on YouTube, and somebody subscribes to your channel from a short or a reel or whatever YouTube calls them, it's kind of like they don't see all the content. They only see the shorts or the reels. They don't see the long form content. So it's kind of a negative to get too many subscribers from shorts and reels. It kind of takes away from your full length videos. So if you notice, I've kind of backed off on how many shorts and reels I post. I posted some recently about Shot 3D and TAC, but for the most part, I don't post near like I used to. I used to post every single day, all year long, a short or a reel. And I don't do that anymore because of that, for that reason. So I have some white ones here. So anyway, so what I've decided to do, and Adam from Rolling Bones Tulsa Adventure Hub has kind of convinced me of this. He's been the one that's peer pressured me. I started TikTok, which I swore I would never do. For a long time, it looked like TikTok was going to be shut down anyway, so it wasn't really an issue. I'm not a fan of the communist China regime, so I swore I would never get TikTok. But it kind of seems like it's around to stay, and it is a good way to engage with people. And again, if I can post shorts on TikTok, or reels, or whatever TikTok calls them, and not take away from YouTube views on long form content, seems like a good place to do that. And I still put them on Instagram, but Instagram does not seem to take hold because I'm not wearing a bikini apparently. So I'm still posting stuff on Instagram, but it just doesn't seem to. Seems like Instagram viewers want to watch funny clips, not archery related stuff for some reason. But Instagram apparently, or TikTok apparently, is okay with that. They'll let that stuff, promote that stuff, I guess you could say. So what I need you to do is go to the TikTok link down below. Wait till the end of the video, but there's a link in the description that'll be to my TikTok account. Go check that and follow. Give it a follow, give it a like, whatever TikTok calls it. And there's already some videos on there from Shot 3D, and like I said, some TAC, and just some shooting stuff, you know, out in the yard practicing. That is where most of the content for short reels and stuff like that will go, not necessarily on YouTube. Even though you're probably watching this on YouTube, that's not where the short form content will go in the future. And these wraps are so good I can't get them to get off my finger. So you want to make sure you are following on TikTok. I was going to do a live tonight, just out getting some reps in the yard, getting ready for TAC coming up in Oklahoma. And I couldn't do a live on TikTok because I don't have 50 followers, which stinks. So do me a favor, go follow on TikTok. It's Triple R Woods, a green circle, just like everything else, just like it has been all the time. And give that a like and a follow so we can hopefully grow that into something as well as this, because this has grown a bunch. We're closing in on 7,000 followers, subscribers, whatever you want to call them, which is crazy to think about. Again, some of those are from shorts and reels that don't necessarily ever get this content pushed to them and watch it. So it's just kind of weird like that. YouTube's just kind of weird about that. So do me a favor, go check that out, follow it. I was wrong. I should have never said that I would never TikTok, because now I TikTok. But we're TikTokers now. We're gonna get these arrows built using an Arizona Easy Fletch. Arizona Easy Fletch. I like my bits, but if I'm doing any kind of a helical, I do like these guys, this Arizona Easy Fletch. And I will say, I'm an idiot and I did them wrong the first time I built arrows on this. So again, I'm just admitting all my faults today. That's what this whole video is about, apparently. Make sure you pop the bottom out of this first before you close the jig. The bottom has to unlock first. All right, and if you're still watching, here's a little tip. This glue works fantastic on all veins that I've tried. It's way cheaper to use this Bob Smith Maxi Cure or whatever. It's worked great on everything that I've tried it on. So highly recommend just ordering a tube of that on Amazon, because it per ounce is way cheaper than your name brand glue. I went way over the top on the glue on that. So this is where I went wrong last time, is you need to pop this thing up, then close these on the top and give that a minute. I was folding the arms up, and the arms don't fold up the same, so that was the issue I was having with this thing last time, is don't fold the arms up and then try to pop the thing down. Pop this first, the arms will come up, put this thing on the top, and you should be good to go. Have some Q-tips ready, because if you're like me, I just use a ton of glue, but I've got, what, 2 ounces of it for $7, so I'm not super worried about my glue consumption. And then you gotta clean these arms off. Pretty quick and easy. Looks good. Again, I gotta clean them up. But even doing those other ones when I didn't do it right, they fly really good. Maybe don't go as crazy on the glue as I did, but good looking arrow. Spaced out evenly, looks solid. We'll let that dry, and then we're gonna glue in our hit system. We've got our tips glued in, gluing in. Our veins are fletched, but we're gonna let them cure. We're gonna throw our lighted nocks on. Yes, I'm shooting lighted nocks at Shot 3D and TAC. I don't care, they're cheap. I've got cheap knockoff Amazon ones, so I'm just gonna keep sending them. They work great, I've had no issues, so I'm gonna keep sending them. All right, so like I said, I've got 3 new ones built. I got 2 more that I'm gonna have to wait on some more veins to come in. I'm gonna let these dry. Pretty quick and easy with the Arizona Easy Fletch. No issues with that since I've figured out how to use it properly. Again, we're on TikTok. Swore I'd never get on TikTok. I'm on TikTok. I'm sorry, I lied. We're on TikTok. Go check it out. It's linked down below. Appreciate you guys that have been watching. TAC, Shot 3D, those things are coming. Shot 3D, make sure you are following. You'll want to see those courses, see the setups I've got. The Prime over there is shooting fantastic right now. So go check it out. Watch the videos from the past. Stick around, like, subscribe, buy an e-bike, RamboBikes.com. Use Triple R Woods at checkout. If you're in Arkansas, go check out Fishing Stuff in Sherwood. Buy a bow from them. They're good people. Check them out. Appreciate it.